Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. How are you all?
Yeah, we're so excited to be here today. And as you know, I'm the face behind this page, and this is Gagandeep. And we are here. The purpose of this show. This is my first show, Empowered Dreamers. And I'm doing it with Gagan, and there's a reason why. I want to introduce the uh, winners in my team to my audience, and I want to introduce like what magic one decision can make in your life, right? And without further ado, let's ask Gagan to introduce herself. Hi,
Hello,
Gagan.
everyone. Hi, Kulvinder, and thank you for giving me the opportunity. First time calling me on your page. It's a great pleasure for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and welcome to all lovely audience there out and watching us live or जो भी हमें बाद में देखेंगे. Those who will watch replay, please mention from where and whichever country you are watching from, and good morning, India. Good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're watching. So, खास introduction की हम दोनों को जरूरत नहीं है. We are very chuddy buddy since 24 years
Yes,
now.
yes.
All right. So, I'm Gagandeep Kaur, a digital business owner from India, settled in North India, beautiful city, Dehradun, and running this business from past 2 years successfully under her guidance. And moreover, I'm a science student. I'm a BSc Biotechnology, MSc Bioinformatics, and done many small courses to enhance my skill. And I'm a mom of two beautiful girls, settled with my family in North India. And along with that, before marriage, I had good work experience. But after marriage, this is my first work experience and I'm enjoying it.
Yes.
That's a
Awesome.
small introduction.
Awesome. Awesome, Gagan. This is actually that's your introduction, but can you tell me who is Gagan? Who is Gagan?
Okay. Okay. Uh, Gagan, uh, Gagan was and Gagan is. I am an ordinary woman. I was an ordinary girl from ordinary middle class family from a very small city of India, Haridwar. Haridwar is a holy city. I think every Indian knows what is a Haridwar. It's a holy place. And born and brought up there in a small nuclear family. कुछ छोटी सी लाइफ थी, छोटी सी उम्मीदें थी, पापा मम्मी के साथ रहते थे. And Gagan was and I am still being always a go-getter. I was always like very determined, you know, very curious to do new things. I always welcomed all the opportunities in my life and कुछ अच्छा करना चाहती थी. Like I always wanted to be recognized. It was not like some hi-fi
Yeah,
girl or some, you know, I was not like that branded stuff. Very
yeah,
ordinary.
yeah. Very
अगर
odd.
कुलविंदर से पूछो, I was like a tomboy, you
Yes,
can
you
say.
were. Yes, you were.
And
Yes,
and happy to know other people, being a
yes,
go-getter, being a learner. I
yes,
always welcome all the challenges in my life
yes.
and try to succeed. तो हर जगह पे आप
Mhm,
सक्सीड नहीं हो पाते हैं, लाइफ के जो
mhm,
challenges होते हैं, but
mhm.
from my side I gave my best and still giving my best.
Yes, Gagan, you are giving your best, and I have seen you giving your best to each and every person that has entered your life, and each and every
Thank you.
business partner that has joined your team, and you have given your 100% as a friend as well. And I am so
Thank
proud
you.
of you for who you have become today. Who you have become today. And I loved you equally before when you were not this Gagan. You were that Gagan that was always striving, to help others and even aimlessly help others. Like I mean, without any
I
significance or
I
anything.
inherited. I
Yes.
inherited this from my father.
Yes.
Like he's always a giver. उनका
Yes.
हाथ हमेशा देने के लिए उठा है, whether it is love, whether it is support, whether it is emotion.
Yes.
I think I have inherited from him.
Yes.
Without, वो कहते हैं ना, selfless
Yes.
okay, just help others, just love others.
Okay.
And आपको वही मिलेगा जो ऊपर वाले ने आपके लिए तय किया है.
Yes.
I believe in Almighty.
Yes.
The story is always written from birth and death.
Yes.
बर्थ से लेके आपकी डेथ तक की जर्नी पूरी लिखी हुई है. वी आर द
Yes.
रोल प्लेयर्स.
Yes.
Okay, so everything is planned. God has a very beautiful plan for
Yeah.
you all. Just
Yeah.
love your life, love yourself,
Yeah.
love your loved ones. That's
Yeah.
it. Simple.
That's
Stay
yeah.
simple.
Yeah. So Gagan, did you have any dreams?
Yeah. बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स होते थे. यू कैन से आई वाज अ डे ड्रीमर.
Yeah.
डे ड्रीमर थी. यू
Mm-hmm. Yes.
शेख चिली के ख्यालात बहुत होते थे. खिचड़ियाँ बहुत
Yes.
पकती थी दिमाग में.
Yes.
एंड ड्रीम्स बहुत ज्यादा थे क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा पैशनेट थी. बिकॉज आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू, जो भी टास्क दिया जाएगा, बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट, आई वाज इन ग्रेजुएशन, कॉलेज, या कोई फ्रेंड ने टास्क दे दिया, कुछ होस्टिंग का टास्क दे दिया, लाइक मुझे ये एक दिन पहले ड्रीम्स आने लग जाते थे. दो लाइक कि मुझे इसमें सक्सेसफुल होना है, वट एवर टास्क, लाइक इवन द लाइव इज गोइंग ऑन ना, तो मुझे 2 days बिफोर ड्रीम्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे कि आई हैव टू बी सक्सेसफुल.
Yes.
आई हैव टू गिव माई होल
Yes.
हार्ट इज हियर. पूरा दिल से करना है ना. और
Yeah.
ड्रीम्स ऐसे थे, चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम्स, कुछ पूरे हुए, कुछ नहीं पूरे हुए. और
Yes.
जो भी पूरे हुए, I will give whole credit to my parents, to my father.
Yes.
जो भी ड्रीम्स पूरे हुए, he was the backbone and the supporter to me.
Always. Yeah. I have seen
Whatever
that.
I wanted, yeah,
That.
whatever I wished, whatever. See, I was a child कि मैं कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं कहूँगी चांद तारे तोड़ के लो. What was my valid demand? He never said no.
Yes.
Whether it is education, whether my hobby, why my extracurricular, whether it's my marriage,
Yes.
he never said no.
Yeah.
Till his end, he never said no.
Yes.
So dreams were possible only I can say when parents are there. But yes, this is a fact of life कि सारे dreams पूरे नहीं भी हो सकते हैं.
Yes.
But I was never lacking in my determination, in my consistency.
Yeah.
I have given my 100% in my dreams.
And
कुछ पूरे हुए, कुछ पूरे.
did education play a good role in that, in accomplishing your dreams, or it was, I mean,
Yeah, it was at that time. It was because उस समय उस education और qualification की value थी. And जो qualification और हमने 90s में करी थी, हाँ, अब लगता है कि उसकी इतनी वैल्यू नहीं है because time has changed, skills has changed, technology has changed. So I think अब लगता है अब ड्रीम्स अलग हैं. So there are different phase of life. Childhood dream अलग है, as a graduate ड्रीम्स अलग है, as a post graduate ड्रीम्स अलग है. जिस टाइप की मैंने जॉब करी, like I have done multiple jobs, as a counseling job, as a teacher job, as a marketer, as account, like different roles play करे, है ना. Most of my life was in the hostel. You know that after +2 I was in a hostel. So hostel एक ऐसी चीज है, like I was there in the hostel for 7 to 8 years. You will find different kind of girls over there, different type of people, different culture, different mindset. So I think I was the one girl. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं किसी के साथ एडजस्ट नहीं हुई.
Yes.
मैं हर किसी के साथ कंपैटिबल होके आगे चलती गई. तो उनके साथ भी कुछ ड्रीम्स देखे.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Yes.
कि इनके साथ कुछ, तो हर फेज आया. फिर शादी हुई, उनके साथ ड्रीम्स देखे. फिर बच्चे होते हैं, फिर कुछ फिर हम बच्चों के लिए ड्रीम्स देखने लग जाते हैं. सो आई थिंक ड्रीम्स आर द थिंग विच आर एंडलेस. बट कहूंगी जरूर, कोशिश करते रहिए. ड्रीम्स पूरे होने हैं या नहीं होने हैं वो मत सोचिए, बट वर्क टुवर्ड्स योर ड्रीम्स.
And Gagan, did your dreams come true the way you wanted them to be?
As I've told, sub all dreams never come true, but there are still dreams जिसको लगता था कि like see, I was a successful professional before
Mm-hmm.
marriage, and I
Yes.
was enjoying my professional life.
Yes.
I was working like since my since I was 22 years or 23 years I was working, and 5-6 साल मैंने काम किया. एक
Yes.
टाइम आ जाता है लाइफ में दैट फिर मैंने ड्रीम किया आई शुड हैव अ मैरिड लाइफ, आई शुड सेटल
Yeah.
आउट, क्योंकि मैं
Mm-hmm.
होमली एनवायरनमेंट मिस करती थी. आई वाज
Yes.
अवे फ्रॉम माय फैमिली. सो आई जस्ट विश्ड कि नाउ आई शुड गिव अ ब्रेक टू माय प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. फिर मैंने ड्रीम किया ऑफ अ स्मॉल फैमिली, है ना, विद लव्ड
Mm-hmm.
वंस. फिर मेरा ड्रीम हुआ आई शुड हैव चिल्ड्रन, और उन like I have given good time as a daughter to my parents, as daughter-in-law, as a wife, as a mother. Like
Yes.
हर फेज मैंने एंजॉय किया.
Mm-hmm.
फिर जाके कहीं पे एक ब्रेक आ गई कि because I was the one who always wanted to be recognized. I was the one who wanted to be valued. I was the one who want self respect. एटलीस्ट
Yes.
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इंसान की जिंदा रहनी चाहिए. बट बाय टाइम क्या होता है, व्हेन यू लीव योर स्टडीज, व्हेन यू लीव लर्निंग्स, व्हेन यू
Mm-hmm.
स्टॉप गेनिंग नॉलेज, बाय द टाइम आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल लो होने लग जाता है.
Low.
एंड आई वाज सफरिंग दैट आफ्टर 10 years ऑफ माय मैरिड लाइफ.
So
मेरा पूरा
we
मोराल
can
डाउन हुआ.
we can say that there was a pause in achieving your dreams. There
या
was a pause.
देयर वाज अ पॉज. दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज लाइक. पहले तो जैसे उड़ रहे हैं, आसमान उड़ रहे हैं, जो चाहिए मिल रहा है,
Yes.
पेरेंट्स बैठे हैं, एंड हम भी एनर्जेटिक होते हैं, है
Yes.
ना. बट you know, after 10 years of married life, there was a big pause, and
Big
I
pause.
went into depression.
Yes.
है ना, you can say ऐसा लग रहा था सब खत्म है. लाइक I'm about to be 40, सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज बंद है, अब मैं पढ़ नहीं सकती,
अब
अब
मुझे
मैं
ऐसा लग
लर्न
रहा है
नहीं कर
गगन,
सकती.
sorry, I will add something here. Oh, you know what I am feeling listening to your this story so far? That you were a bird that was meant to fly, but you were not a bird to be in a cage, right? So जो cage,
एग्जैक्टली.
जो eagle होती है ना, it like dives deeper and it flies higher and higher and higher. अगर उसको eagle को आप एक रूम में भी बंद कर दोगे ना, अच्छे से, बहुत अच्छे से महल में भी रख दोगे, तो it will die.
एग्जैक्टली.
So your dreams were
Yeah,
dying
you
slowly,
explained well. Yeah, you
right?
explained well.
I
Though
could
there was
feel that
not
energy.
like I was.
Yes.
Yeah, I was satisfied. Whatever
Mhm.
life I have beautiful daughters, and they're
Mhm.
very good, intelligent. सब कुछ अच्छा
Mhm.
है. I have good good food to eat, good house to live,
Oh,
good
yes.
luxury cars around. Everything I have, but
Mhm.
inner satisfaction नहीं थी.
Yes.
That was killing me. मेरा confidence low हो चुका था, and that time I think you have joined this business, and उस समय there was a gap with you also. You were occupied with the things, stuff, and
I
learnings and
was,
all.
my life
And
was the same, Gagan. I was also an eagle
yeah,
that was living in a mansion.
exactly. So the change in you when I started observing, when I talked to you, Hannah, that was, I can see the shift, a turning point when you said that still there is a chance, Gagan. It's not like learning की कोई age नहीं होती. You can still do. And I was denying again and again.
Yeah, I
It,
remember
नहीं
your
Kulvinder,
words.
it is not.
You remember? I
It
remember
is
your
not
words,
possible.
and you got a shouting from me that day. You were like, "नहीं, अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता." I'm like, "How dare you say nothing can happen now? Like
Yeah.
nothing is possible. Never say that.
लाइक आई वाज
Never say
लाइक,
never."
एक कहते हैं ना,
Yeah.
एक एक फ्लावर जो ब्लॉस खिलता है, वो पूरा मुरझा चुका था. एंड
Yes.
मेरे को
Yes.
खुद से ही उम्मीद नहीं थी. मुझे खुद को ही नहीं पता था मेरा
Mhm.
पोटेंशियल क्या है. आई हैव
Yes.
लॉस्ट माय ओन आइडेंटिटी, माय ओन
Mhm.
कॉन्फिडेंस, सब खत्म हो
Mhm.
चुका है. मुझे खुद से ही नहीं पता हु आई एम. आई फॉरगॉट.
Yes.
जो भी बातें मैंने आपको बोली है ना, ये सब
Yes.
मुझे उस समय याद नहीं थी. एंड
Yes.
आई विल गिव होल क्रेडिट टू यू, कुलविंदर, for uh, for making me remember all these things, that who you
Huh.
were, and you can
Mhm.
still do. And
Mhm.
that push, from your side, and
It
has
was just a
given a
little
good
push.
result. And
Baki, everything else you did yourself, Gagan. I just said few words, and rest. It was all you, and I'm so proud of you for coming this far and
it's all
on this
it's the
platform.
thing. You
Yeah.
need someone to
Hmm.
make you remember who you are. और
Correct.
ऐसा अगर कोई लाइफ में मिल जाए ना, please don't miss the opportunity.
Correct.
What I feel, God has given you a second chance to prove yourself.
Yes.
God has given you एक एक चांस मिलता है आफ्टर योर स्टडीज, ठीक है,
Yeah.
हम तब
True.
प्रूव करते हैं. फॉर मी गॉड हैज गिवन मी द सेकंड चांस टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ, ठीक है.
Yes.
सो डेफिनेटली जब व्हेन आई went through the business module and all these things, I was like skeptical, है ना, because online things 2 years
Yes.
before, 2 साल में बहुत एडवांस हो गई हैं, but two
Yeah.
years before भी it was like, oh my god, and I was scolding her because she's my good friend. I can't see her sinking down. So I was like more
Worried about
concerned, oh my god,
you
what
were
you have
more
done.
concerned about me कि ये कुछ गलत नहीं कर रही हो. You know
मैंने
that's
कहा
how
कुछ
you did
गलत तो
all
नहीं
the
कर रही, और
things.
चलो, okay, she's suggesting me, but
Yeah.
before that I was more concerned to her that she is wasting her time, money, energy on an online business, and what is all this and all. But gradually, uh, uh, looking towards her determination, consistency, and hard work, what she was doing, when she achieved a few milestones, I was like, what exactly it is.
This
फिर
is
मैं
it.
बैठी, फिर मैं समझी,
Yeah.
फिर I was like more focused, and I believed in the system. जो इसका ट्रस्ट मैंने कुलविंदर का सिस्टम पे देखा, तो obviously she's my friend, and she
Mhm.
itna to I have a blind trust on her, like she will never think wrong for me if she's saying, and if she's performing well, so definitely it's a like trustable platform, and
Yes.
it's legitimate and government approved. फिर धीरे धीरे हमने मैंने भी रिसर्च करी, and I think we were the one with the minimal help in uh, this
System.
community,
System. Community.
the
Yes.
whole community. Like in the starting we got the minimal help. कुछ
Yeah.
समझ नहीं आ रहा था, कभी कभी लगता था कि जंगल में ना दो शेर छोड़ दिए और कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है how
Yes.
to do and how to
Yeah.
perform. But
Mhm.
thank you for our super mentors and coaches जिन्होंने
Yeah.
इतनी beautiful training,
Training
एक
जो. Yes. That is the.
प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग
Yeah.
जो
That is
उन्होंने
something
बनाई
that
है.
will never let you sink. That is something that will
Yeah,
never let you sink. You will float. If you
the
don't
day
fly,
we,
at least you will float,
yes,
you know. And Gagan, uh, I want to ask, like, do you feel empowered now?
yes. Exactly. I
And
feel empowered
how does it
because
feel? How does it feel to be empowered?
it's like a wonderful feeling. First of all, I can
Mhm.
say, um, क्या होता है कुलविंदर कि now एक चेंज है, एक शिफ्ट है. वो लड़की जो हर डिसीजन के लिए दूसरों पे डिपेंड थी,
Yes.
नाउ आई एम अ डिसीजन मेकर. वो लड़की, इवन फॉर माई फाइनेंसेस आई वाज डिपेंड ऑन समवन टू समवन. चेंज होते रहते हैं बंदे, है ना, कभी पेरेंट्स हो
Mhm.
जाते हैं, कभी हस्बैंड हो जाते हैं, कभी फ्रेंड्स हो
Yeah.
जाते हैं,
Priority. Yes.
डिपेंड. बट आई हैव अ फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी नाउ, आई एम अ बॉस,
Yes.
ठीक है, आई एम अ बॉस नाउ. सो वो एम्पावर्ड फील ही अलग आती है, यू नो. अब मेरे पास एक मोटिव है. मैं पहले मॉर्निंग में उठती थी, एक कॉमन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है हर लेडी का, सुबह बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना है, लंच पैक करना है, कपड़े धोने हैं, यू नो, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. एक रूटीन
Yeah.
होता है, कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता. वो एक वर्क प्रोफाइल होता है कि करना ही करना है. अब मेरे पास एक मॉर्निंग में ऑब्जेक्टिव है,
Yes.
एक टास्क है जो मुझे पूरा करना है.
Yes.
It is that way I feel empowered. And next चीज which I enjoy in this business,
Hmm.
कोई हमारी तरह आ जाता है ना, आई वेलकम
Hmm.
दोज वुमेन, दोज हु फील
Hmm.
लोनली, दोज हु फील हेल्पलेस.
Yes.
एंड बेस्ट पार्ट लगता है कि आई एम एबल टू एम्पावर देम.
Yes.
दैट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग आई कैन से. If I
Gagan,
could
say,
transfer
say
my
that
energy
one
to,
more time. Gagan, say that one more time. I am the boss. Say that. Say it.
I'm the boss. I
Yes.
can say I'm
So
the
you know what
boss.
I want to say here? Remember that day when you said, Arey, I'm over 40 now, it's not possible.
Yeah,
And look
I
at this
said that.
Gagan today who is sitting in front of me and saying, I am the boss. You cannot imagine like what kind of this, happening in my mind, soul, and body, this kind of thing that I'm hearing you saying that I am the boss, right? And you're
Yeah, I'm more
financially
confident
independent.
now, and it's
Those,
all. I think
those,
it's all because of you.
no,
But
no. So,
you wouldn't
you know,
said that. Ki, yeah,
somebody who is not financially independent can totally relate to this feeling when you are dependent upon people for little things, and
yeah, for
with a
everything, for
transformation when
emotional,
the person
for
is independent financially.
दैट
Yeah,
डिपेंडेंसी जो होती है ना, चाहे वो इमोशनल है, चाहे वो फाइनेंशियल है, चाहे वो
yeah,
सेंटिमेंट्स है, वो जब
anytime.
आपकी डिपेंडेंसी होती है ना, यू आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर दैट द सेम पर्सन, यार ये
Yeah.
कब बात करेगा या कब पैसे देगा या व्हाटएवर
Mhm.
देगा देगी
Yeah,
व्हाटएवर,
yeah,
वो डिपेंडेंसी खत्म हो गई है. नाउ
yeah,
आई कैन टेक माय ओन डिसीजंस and I
yes,
feel more energetic and more knowledgeable now. Why? Because this community don't only tell us how to earn money, it this also work on our mindset,
yes,
because this community, ये जो पूरे स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट के लोग बैठे हैं, व्हेन वी आर इन द मीटिंग्स, व्हेन वी आर इन द मास्टरमाइंड्स, व्हेन वी आर इन द
yeah,
ट्रेनिंग्स, वो जो वाइब्स आती हैं, वो जो
yeah,
लर्निंग्स आती हैं उनसे, दैट गिव्स मी गूज बम्प्स.
yes,
ओके,
yes,
और कुछ आर्टिफिशियल नहीं है, ऑल आर रियल हीरोज हियर एंड ऑल आर whatever they are saying, it's a real story. जब
yeah,
कोई आके हमारे ट्रेनिंग्स में, मास्टरमाइंड्स में अपनी जर्नी सुनाता है ना, इट गिव्स यू गूज बम्प. मैं
yes,
आई स्टिल फील blessed that I'm in a family. I have a shelter. I have lovely children. I have parents.
yeah,
I still feel good. I have
yeah,
husband. Everything. सब कुछ है. ठीक है. But in
mm,
this community, I have seen people have started from scratch.
yes,
जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है, जो चार चार
mhm,
जॉब्स भी कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी दे आर डूइंग दिस ऑनलाइन बिजनेस.
yes.
हाउ दे आर मैनेजिंग,
Yeah, exactly.
उनको देख
And
के
Gagan,
आई फील इंस्पायर,
you
उनको देख
have
के.
you
एंड
have set an example, and you have created a platform for women in India and the
या
women in Pakistan and those countries that are developing still, where women are still. India is a well developed country, though. I'm not saying that it's developing, but our culture,
but
it's
women is not get here.
women are
Here the
not
thing is,
getting.
I'll tell you, हाँ, वुमेन, I'll tell you, एक माइंडसेट, एक इनपुट, एक फीडिंग ही हमारे दिमाग में ऐसे कर दी गई है कि नाउ यू आर
Mm.
मैरिड, है ना, यू हैव टू
Yeah,
मेक अ फैमिली, है ना,
yeah.
गिव बर्थ टू द चिल्ड्रन, और उन्हीं को ही आपने लुक आफ्टर करना
Look,
है.
yes,
एंड इन सबके बदले यू हैव टू किल योर ड्रीम्स.
yes,
ठीक है, ये पीछे से ही, लाइक फ्रॉम अवर पेरेंट्स, हमारे बीच में, हमारे दिमाग में ये चीज इनपुट कर दी गई है.
yes.
ठीक है, व्हाई नॉट टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड अचीव योर ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो, व्हाई नॉट.
Marriage should not be the end of life. It should be
या,
a phase in your life that
ये
is
प्रोसेस है,
happening, but at the same
इट्स अ
time,
प्रोसेस.
your progress is still happening.
मैं एक
You're still
एग्जांपल
progressing.
दूंगी.
Yeah.
अगर आप कुकिंग कर रहे हो, सपोज, इफ
Mhm.
यू आर कुकिंग, वट एवर यू आर ड्राइविंग, हम,
Mhm.
क्या हम एक काम के साथ दूसरा काम नहीं करते?
Yes.
वी डू. एंड वुमेन हैज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ मल्टीटास्किंग.
Mhm.
अगर उसी समय मैं आपको बोल दूं, लेट्स गो फॉर द डांस क्लासेस, यू विल नेवर से दैट आई एम कुकिंग, मेरे को, आई एम टीचिंग, लेट्स गो
Yeah.
फॉर द किटिंग, लेट्स गो फॉर द शॉपिंग. हम फट चले जाएंगे.
Yes.
We'll spend money. But if I
Yeah.
say, let's learn something, then why that bothers us? Because हमारी
Mm.
फीडिंग ही है कि अब पढ़ाई लिखाई खत्म हो चुकी है. But my
Yes.
dear friends, there is no end to education, there is no end to the learnings. Keep learning, keep growing, and that will bring your lost confidence back. I'm
Yes.
the live example sitting here. I was totally
Mhm.
dead, I was depressed, I was finished. I think word was the मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता था दुनिया ही खत्म हो गई. The word is the end now. Like अब तो
Mm.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I'm in that age कि 40 के बाद तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि like खत्म है. But
It's done.
believe me, I'm enjoying my 40s now. It's much to do. You're still young. You're still young, my dear friends. Okay. Thing is, you have to take action for yourself. जैसे हम अपनी आउटर लुक्स को ग्रूम करते हैं, वैसे ही आपको इनर इनर सोल को ग्रूम करना है, अपने माइंड को ग्रूम करना है. यस, इन चीजों पे जैसे आउटर ग्रूमिंग में इन्वेस्टमेंट लगती है, इन चीजों पे भी इन्वेस्टमेंट लगती है. मैंने अगर ना करी होती, आई आई वोंट बी हियर टुडे स्पीकिंग टू यू ऑल.
Yes.
नेवर, कभी ना होती अगर मैंने अपने ऊपर टाइम, मनी, एनर्जी इन्वेस्ट ना किया होता. I would never got this beautiful people around me.
And Gagan, it wouldn't have been possible for those who are here because of you, right? Yes.
I'm still learning. We are not saying that we are the intellectual people sitting here. हमें सब कुछ आता है. No, I'm still at a learning phase. We have much to do and way to go in this business. But whoever will work, this is on live, I'm saying, whoever will work with us, me and Kulvinder are always there to help them out. Rest is your hard work, what you put in.
Yeah.
But कभी ये सुनने को नहीं मिलेगा कि Kulvinder and Gagan is not available.
And the other thing is the intention that you start an endeavor with, and the intention with which you keep going in the team. वो बहुत
intention was yes, पैसा सबको चाहिए. Intention was to earn
people
money.
Who join us, मैं उनकी बात कर रही हूँ गगन. The people who join us, if they are vibrating at the similar kind of energy, helpful, and you know that kind of a give and take, we are always here. And if your intentions are not good, then it might go south. Things might go south. So that's very important to have this kind of a helpful and this kind of a give and take for each other, right?
And after an year in this business, dreams फिर change हुए.
Yeah.
Dream पहले था कि अपने पहले before joining it was like खुद को motivate करना है, खुद को stand करना है, खुद को self independent करना है, self love करना है. I was a learner. In first year, I was a learner. Now the dream has again changed. अब आ गया है अपनी इंडियन वुमेन को जीना सिखाना है. अब और ही कुछ पैशन आ गया. I want my own woman team of enthusiastic women. मजा आ जाए, passionate women जो सब कुछ कर सकती हैं. उनको बस realize कराने की देर है. Everything is possible because we all are hardworking and educated and professional people. But I think lack of opportunity and lack of knowledge is not there. Right person sometimes is not available. Right opportunity, right platform is not available.
The saddest thing when somebody having a master's degree from an IT, she's an IT professional, and she's saying that it's been so many years that now I'm not able to sign into my Facebook on laptop.
Oh my God.
And it just broke my heart when I heard that. IT professional.
But Kulvinder, it's a fact, Kulvinder, it's a fact. Like I was also like for past 13 years before joining this business, even my practice on the technical thing, I lost everything. All my knowledge, even laptop handle कैसे करना है, except एक Facebook पे picture load करना आता था. The rest we forget. By time we forget, हमारी knowledge fade off हो जाती है.
Yes. And she's an IT professional. जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, she's an IT professional. And then you know what I said? What I said to her, I had two options. I could just Zoom call her, share my screen, and show her how to do that. But you know what I did? I gave her the trainings, the videos. I asked her to log into her training, and I asked her to figure it out. And she did. And you know what she said to me this morning? She said, I think I got this. Oh my God. Can you imagine that 1 second how I felt that time? That IT professional.
See, your learnings and education never dies. It's always in your subconscious mind. You just need to brush up.
Yeah, it's just a tiny tweaks that we do. We just remind you.
Yeah.
We're not
Yeah.
we're not professionals ourselves. We're not very pro kind of people. We just make you remember. We remind you that you are worth something, and that's what
Exactly.
Gagan is doing to the women in India and abroad, right? And I'm so proud of Gagan. Okay,
Thank you.
so Gagan, can you tell me, like, what does it take to be empowered? क्या देना पड़ेगा उसके बदले में? ये जो आज पावर मिली है ना, जो ये जो आपके अंदर जो है, जो वाइब्रेट कर रही है ये
Yeah.
हाई
First of
एनर्जी।
all, I think you have to leave your comfort zone.
यस।
The only thing you have. Yeah. मैं एक और बात कहूंगी, जब आप सक्सेस की सीढ़ी पे चढ़ जाते हैं, whenever people watch you getting successful, कुछ डिटैचमेंट्स भी होंगी, आई एम टेलिंग यू।
या।
ठीक है, बट एक बताऊं, you will be able to filter people
यस।
when you join something, kuch bhi, anything. I'm not saying join this business and do.
Yeah.
Whenever you are success in particular, you will be able to filter people around you easily.
यस।
कुछ डिटैचमेंट्स होंगे, कुछ अटैचमेंट्स भी होंगे। एंड मैंने ये रियलाइज किया है कि और आगे आप जब बढ़ोगे और माइलस्टोन आएगा जब, है ना, व्हेन यू सक्सीड मोर,
या।
एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा, द नियर एंड डियर वन, they will step back, and the outer world, which is who all are similar mindset, who are like you, है ना, they will get attract. पहले मैंने सिर्फ सुना था, but now I'm experiencing it.
Yes.
All my team is like me. They
Yeah.
all think like me. They all have the growth mindset. They all are educated. They all are professionals. They all are having master degree. They all like
Yeah.
me.
They're I would say
Having
lost
all
professionals. Lost professionals.
lost
They,
professionals, I can
they are
say, yeah.
finding themselves now.
है ना, वो they all are like me. And अब ऐसा लगता है that कभी कभी तो लगता है we are sisters, like we have the same parents.
Yes. Yes.
So what it takes to leave your comfort zone, कुछ डिटैचमेंट्स होंगी, कुछ आपको ट्रॉल भी करा जाएगा, आपको नेगेटिव भी बोला जाएगा, आपको ये भी बोला जा सकता है कि मे बी मुझे बोला गया था आई एम स्टूपिड coming on the screen and speaking.
You will lose friends like as if there are dry leaves that shed from trees.
Yeah.
जो सूखे पत्ते
ठीक
झड़
है,
जाते हैं ना, you
so
will
be
lose
prepared
friends.
for that. Be prepared for that, I
Be
can say.
prepared for that.
But
Yeah.
be prepared for that. या होता है, बुरा भी लगता है, कुछ चीजें
Yeah.
होती है, but you have to overcome.
Yeah.
फिर
But
यहाँ
then
पे
you know
बात
that
करती
where you
हूँ,
belong. Then you know.
हाँ, यहाँ पे मैं बात करती हूँ about self motivation. That is very much important. Self love, self respect. आप अपनी बाउंड्रीज सेट करना शुरू कर देंगे, आप अपनी लिमिटेशंस, है ना, पहले क्या होता था, यू आर जस्ट लिसनिंग to whatever people around you saying. Now you will not listen. Once you become successful, once you become educated, you know what to accept and what not to accept. एक बाउंड्री सेट कर लोगे. एंड यस, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस जब खुद से आएगा ना, जब सेल्फ मोटिवेशन आएगी, कुलविंदर और मैं यहाँ पे 2 घंटे 3 घंटे 4 घंटे जितना मर्जी मोटिवेट कर लें, या हमारी जो टीम्स होती हैं जितना मर्जी आप मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख लें, सब कुछ कर लें, बट द डे यू विल लर्न टू मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ, अपने आप को ही अपने आप मोटिवेट करना सीख जाएंगे. That is the point when you feel exactly empowered. You don't need anybody to push you every time towards your goals. Self motivation जिस दिन सीख गए, क्यों क्या होता है कि जो एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन है, चाहे आप वीडियो से ले रहे हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स से ले रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स से ले रहे हैं, gradually it fades off.
Yes.
Gradually it fades off.
Yes.
ठीक है, वो अभी आपकी स्क्रीन बंद हो जाएगी ना, आप सबकी, आप सब भूल जाओगे कुलविंदर ने क्या कहा, गगन ने क्या कहा. टिल द टाइम यू गाइज आर लिसनिंग, यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग वाओ. अभी स्क्रीन बंद होते हैं, यू विल बी बिजी विद योर ऑल डे कोर्स एंड ऑल, जो भी है ना, बच्चों के साथ आप बिजी हो जाओगे.
So you need to do some inner work on yourself.
Yeah. Right? So I will say, first of all, rather than improving other people around you. I always say to my team, मेरे पास लेडीज आती हैं, दे हैव सम इश्यूज, फैमिली इश्यूज हैं, कुछ फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज हैं, कुछ बच्चे तंग कर रहे हैं, एनी ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, मेनी एक्सक्यूजेस. मैं कहूंगी, ओ माय गॉड, वर्क ऑन द सोल्यूशन, डोंट कम विद द प्रॉब्लम्स,
Yes.
work on the solution.
Yes.
That's the right way.
Focus on the solution. Yeah.
Yeah, that, and in that way we can stay empowered. जब तक start loving yourself, अपनी respect खुद करो, अपने potential को जानो, अपनी skills को enhance करो, and show
Yeah.
up.
Yes. Awesome. What a mighty dreamer you are, Gagan. And you know, I actually today, while we are, I know you for years, you know, but today when we are talking about it, I could actually see your rise before marriage, when you were in school, college, and you were like here, and then I could just see that dip
It's a
happening. It was
it's
a
a
dip,
deep
and
deep
then
fall, you can
again,
say.
yeah, and then again, the way you took off and then you are flying now, it's commendable. I'm so proud of you. And my last question to you, do you have a message for aspiring dreamers, for those who need this kind of transformation that you have experienced? What would you say to them?
Once again, give yourself the priority, the small and precise thing. Give yourself the priority first. And thing is, हम एक ना उसमें आ जाते हैं, गुड फ्रेम में बनना चाहते हैं ऑलवेज. ठीक है, आई नो इट्स अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग ना, जब व्हेन एवरीबडी अराउंड यू प्रेजिंग यू, ओह माय गॉड कितनी अच्छी डॉटर इन लॉ है, कितनी अच्छी मदर है, इट लुक्स गुड, इट साउंड्स गुड, यू नो, अच्छा लगता है. वही सुनने के लिए हम एक गुड फ्रेम में रहना चाहते हैं. एंड उसके पीछे वी हैव टू गिव अ बिग सेक्रीफाइस. We have to kill our dreams. We have to sacrifice our passion. We have to sacrifice our parents' wish. जिन पेरेंट्स ने आपको पढ़ा लिखा के, आप पे इनपुट करके आपको बड़ा किया है.
Yes.
ठीक है, मैंने वो फील करा है, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम अ पेरेंट, आई एम अ मदर. मेरी भी 2 डॉटर्स हैं. एंड यू नो कैसे मैं और कुलविंदर हम अपने बच्चों के लिए हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं और उन पे इनपुट कर रहे हैं, और हम चाहते हैं वी वांट टू वॉच देम सक्सीडिंग एट द हाइट, कुछ अच्छे से बन जाए. डॉक्टर इंजीनियर को छोड़ो, कुछ अच्छे स्टेबल, वेल कुछ भी बन जाए, है ना, बट एटलीस्ट, है ना, कुछ बन जाए, कुछ फाइनेंशियली किसी पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो. बट अगर यही बच्चे मेरी तरह पढ़ लिख के अपनी शादी करके बच्चे करके चुपचाप बैठ जाएं, तो कितना दुख होता है एज अ पेरेंट, एज अ पेरेंट.
यस,
आई नो फैमिली बनाना भी एक टास्क है, बच्चे पैदा करना, बच्चों को पढ़ाना.
It's not the end goal. It's not the end goal. It's not like, you know, those fairy tales where this prince and the princess meet and they happily live ever after. There is no happy ever after if you are not independent. If you are dependent upon somebody, there will always be, you know, this kind of void in your heart that, oh, I wish I would have done something differently to have a different kind of outcome. We're not saying that marriage is a bad thing. Do it, but don't stop right there.
I was about to say that. You should learn to balance both the things.
Very important.
If me and Kulvinder are sitting here, that doesn't mean we are not looking after our families. We are not doing our household duties.
We're doing it better, but now we're doing it better.
Now we are doing it more disciplined and with more. We have a time schedule now to do everything. I think बहुत ही ज़्यादा disciplined हो गए, more responsible हो गए, and whatever we are learning from the business or from this community, we are giving it to our children also.
Yes.
ठीक है. So last message यही कहूँगी, please don't underestimate yourself. Give yourself the priority. Learn to balance out the things. 24 hours मेरे पास भी हैं, कुलविंदर के पास भी हैं, आपके पास भी हैं. How to manage those 24 hours? उसमें से सिर्फ 1 या 2 hours अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ, अपनी ग्रोथ, अपनी नॉलेज के लिए निकालें. 2 hours, my dear friend, only 2 hours.
Only 2 hours.
That's it. That's it. Nothing else you need.
Awesome.
And आप देखिए वो knowledge कुछ भी हो, I'm not welcome, I'm not saying go come and join us. Yeah, you are most welcome to join us. We are here to support you. Kulvinder is a great mentor, and I know from we were just two, now almost 200 people are working under her, and she's like a big support to her team. So we are here, है ना? मैं तो कहती हूँ she's a backbone of the team.
No,
So
you're all
like
equally important, Gagan. You all of you are equally important, and I am
yeah,
blessed to have you and everyone else on the team. And
yeah.
thank you so much for today's live, and thank you for sharing your heart with us. And before we leave, I want to thank all those people who joined us live. Kiran, thank
Thank you
you.
for joining
Harleen,
us.
yes, Harleen, Aman Puller, my mentor, Kiran Jakhu,
Hello,
and
hello.
then Poonam Masoon, Harjeet Kaur, Sandeep Dillon, Aaron
Hello.
Vasquez. Aaron has been waiting for this live since last night. Kaur Sandhu and Amandeep Kaur
Um,
Sandhu. Thank you, Amandeep Kaur,
thank you.
Arvinder
Thank you.
Kaur, Navneet Miglani. She's calling you a rock star. Kamal Brar Tivana,
Thank you.
Harry Bajwa. Thank you, Jyotsna Pandey. Always like to see you
Uh,
both watching from India. Wow. Thank you, Jyotsna.
thank you, Jyotsna.
Yes, Sahaj Bhatti also watching from India. Pratiksha Patel.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Oh,
Pratiksha. And Rajdeep Sandhu, Harleen Kaur, and Neetu Ahuja, Anila, and then Harpreet Pangu, and that's it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you
oh,
so much for watching
thank
us
you.
live.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I will be back maybe next month with another great story of one of my team members. And I will do my best to keep this show running. She keep the show going, depending upon how busy I am that month. And see you next time. And thank you, Gagan. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.